The Azure CLI is one of the preferred tools for Azure developers as it provides quick and immediate access to resources on the Microsoft Cloud. You don't have to navigate the Azure Portal, but instead a single command, just one, can update a VM, create a Cosmos DB instance, or configure an app service. In this video, you'll learn how to manage multiple subscriptions while working with the CLI by authenticating an account, list subscriptions, and manage specific and default subscriptions. I've opened a standard Windows command prompt, and the first step is obviously to log into the Azure CLI, which I do with AZ login, that command. That will open up a browser window, which will allow me to log in with an account. So I'm going to choose this particular account. I'm now logged in, so if I go back to the CLI, it gives me a list of all of the different subscriptions that I can access with this particular account. So there are 3 in this case. If I want to see those again, I can use the command AZ account and list. I can do that at any time. That will give me a list of the subscriptions that I have currently got access to with the account that I'm signed into. Now, if I want to create a VM, for example, with a particular subscription, let me just copy the ID of the subscription I want to use because I need that in a minute. And then I use the standard command for creating a VM, which is azvm create. I'm going to give it a name. Should be my VM, say. Give it a resource group name, ACG. Got to give it an image. In this case, we'll use the Ubuntu LTS. And then I need to give it a subscription ID, which I just copied from before. Like so. That is how I can create a virtual machine on a specific subscription ID. So I can click enter on that. And in this case, I haven't created the resource group yet, but that is how you would do it. If I want to set a subscription by default for the entire CLI session, I can use the command AZ account and then set. And then again, I need to enter the subscription like so. And I've hit enter now. Now I don't have to type the -- subscription parameter at all in the entire Azure CLI session. It will just know that that is the default for the session. So that saves a bit of time if you're working with just a single subscription, which is the most common use case. And that's it. That's how you use multiple subscriptions with the Azure CLI. You might be wondering now, what about multiple Azure accounts? And the short answer is you can't. The Azure CLI is logged in with a valid Azure account, but only one. If you want to use another account or subscription on another account, you have to restart the CLI session and, well, log in again. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for everything cloud computing. And then all there is to say is keep being awesome, cloud gurus.